Hello, my name is Joanna Funkhauser and I am a physics teacher with Garland ISD, the fourth biggest district in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I have been working at the high school level for 7 years. I enjoy teaching, but I enjoy even more learning from my students. The purpose of this video is to communicate my beliefs and principles as they relate to digital learning and leading, so here is my learning manifesto. I am very passionate about using technology in my classroom. I think we have a great opportunity by being a one-on-one iPad environment, and it's been a game changer for my students and me. With iPads in my classroom, the possibilities of engagement have been endless. We, for example, analyze motion that is too fast for the naked eye using iPad cameras and the Vernier Video Physics app. We also do simulation labs for scenarios that are impossible in real life. For example, if we want to investigate the force of attraction between two massive planets, that is pretty hard, right? We do it with a simulation, and then it is possible. We have visited an amusement park and rode a roller coaster using Google Expeditions, and my students love it. My students also are now able to do activities that I could not even imagine before. I love to see their enthusiasm when collaborating on creative projects or having fun when developing iMovies on topics as challenging as momentum or projectile motion. We really do have the world at the palms of our hands. My students frequently have the opportunity to choose the way they want to learn, since I give them options to access their content. For example, they can read their online textbook, or they can go through the Google Slides presentation, or watch and answer the questions from an interactive video that covers the same topic. I do not think my class as a proficient personalized learning environment yet. There are still many things that need to be done, but I consider that we are on the right track and making progress. My dream would be to have a class development and a structure that would allow for authentic learning opportunities for all my students, where ownership of learning is actively promoted, and where students can develop their voice. In a few words, I would like to implement COVA. I would love to see children genuinely excited about learning and aware of their capabilities to improve, knowing that it all resides on being persistent through their struggles as well as their dedication and effort. I believe one of the most significant issues with the current education system is standardization. The idea that we have to live every day for the test pushes teachers and schools into a mass production line of students that are entirely disengaged from learning. Standardized tests should be a frequent guide to improving, in which the data collected is not the center of all attention, but a tool for continuous improvement, not the final product of a school year. In my opinion, the culture of standardization also creates a climate of animosity in the classroom, in which after the critical test date has passed, students are checked out and ready for the summer, and teachers have to fight their way to the end of the year. Students see their time after the standardized test utterly useless, since their goal from the beginning was not learning but only passing a test, so what happens after is not essential. I consider that the decisions related to education should be put back into the actual participants of the educational process, the school's administration, the teachers, and ultimately also the students. The educational decisions should not be made in the legislation room, where participants experience a great disconnection with the reality of the classrooms, and in some cases have not even experienced the daily occurrences of public schools. My goal in the near future is to become an instructional technology coach because I firmly believe that I am capable of helping other teachers make a difference in the life of their students through technology and prepare them for their future using it. I will achieve this by purposefully teaching and applying the growth mindset, developing capacity related to implementation and use of the available technology tools, and the knowledge of personalized learning environment that would improve students' engagement and learning, making the teacher's job more productive. I am also committed to working towards individualized teaching and learning, where each student has the opportunity of finding a way to engage their curiosity, their individuality, and their creativity. I have witnessed firsthand the beautiful chaos that comes with every single student in the classroom engaging, working on projects of their preference, investing their time and energy to accomplish their goal, where teachers are genuinely supported and receive the professional development that they need with the goal of producing better results for the benefit of their students.